Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will quickly show you how to save a YouTube video to your gallery or device. There are two methods. Save your own uploaded videos. If you want to download, you have uploaded to YouTube, tap your profile here and then click on view channel here and then go to manage videos. On videos, you can click here. After that, just click on the three dot on the side of the video and click save to device. This will save the video to your gallery. As you can see, it's here already. And to save others people videos offline mode, just go to the video and you will see an option here called download. Just click on it. You can choose between high or medium quality, but note this feature requires a YouTube premium subscription. If you are a premium user, this video will be saved for offline viewing, but only within the YouTube app, not in your gallery. To find your downloaded videos, go to that library tab and tap downloads. Keep in mind, videos saved this way won't appear in your phone's gallery. And that's how you can save videos from YouTube, either directly to your gallery or for offline use inside the app. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.